Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling, and this is What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. Finally be able to get one done here. Some of the stuff I probably had for a couple of weeks or more, but got a little bit of an update. New product that came in for a review, and a pen that a friend gave me, and I'll explain that when we get to it. But anyway, and some models I bought. So I got this at Hobby Lobby. Cool kit. I think I'm going to just use the toe box thing on another truck, but still it's pretty cool. So I'll grab that. And I was watching Justin at MK Model Works, and he was showing the steady nippers. I was like, yeah, I gotta get a pair of those. So yeah, these are pretty nice. Got them on Amazon. And I have a set of what the heck are they called? Riot tool, root tool, or something. I've been using these. I bought these a while ago, and they still work great, but never hurts to have another set. So thanks, Justin. Let's see. I'll show the pen real quick. So I kind of collect pens, and it's a bad habit. But I go to the post office or the bank, and I always keep the pen. So he gave me, my friend Jeff, gave me this. I thought it was pretty cool. But anyway, let me pause real quick, and we'll get on to the next thing. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and the 34 paint's all cured, ready to go, so I can get it wet sanded and buffed using the it's falling apart. Wet sanded and buffed using the display polisher. So if you guys want to see quick kind of video on that, doing this, just comment below and we'll do a video on that too. I had some other emails and messages on Facebook. Some people wanted to see more on it, so I'm going to do that. But all the links for the display polisher and the pads, where to get them and everything, is in the description below. So you can grab one if you want. The hood. Boy, this black has really got bad for fingerprints. I might have to break out the white gloves later, or when I show it. But yeah, that'd be pretty cool. That's getting done. Haven't done anything with the CUDA yet, but I plan on this weekend getting some stuff done on that. And let's see, galleries, GWCC contest that they're doing. You can go on their website and scroll down, you'll see it. You can also register to enter it, or you can register to vote, just be a voter. But we're going to do another Stranger Things van mural. So if you want to see another tutorial, or whatever you want to call it, me doing a mural on this one, just comment below on that too. And I'm going to make it pretty much the same thing, but it's going to have a Stranger Things theme airbrush mural on it, so that'd be pretty cool. Had a company reach out to me, Hozo Design, and it's the Neo Sander. So they sent me this to review. Oh, I didn't even open it yet. Let's check it out real quick. Maybe I should have been prepared. Yeah, I think I should have. All right, guys, let me pause real quick. Okay, got them out of the box. Maybe I should have just opened everything, I think. So this is the sander tool. Geez, I should have opened this all up, guys. This is wasting time, but anyway. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really small too. Handy. Probably got to be charged. We'll charge it up. Comes with a set of the sanding heads. And again, I should have opened all this stuff up before. Sanding heads. You got stickers, I guess, you can put on each of the head to make sure you put the right one on. Not too familiar with the... Oh yeah, it does come with a sandpaper too. That's cool. Sweet. Open that up. Oh yeah, you can see they're all different shapes that they have. There's quite a bit in there too. That's awesome. All right, so we'll get that set up eventually. And they also sent me the Neo Sander charging dock, which that's cool. Just have it right on the bench sitting on a charger. That's cool. Wasn't expecting that part. Or the precision saw collection. Kind of interested how that's going to work too. So very cool. Thank you, Neo, and we will do a video on this coming up soon. And I'm actually looking forward to trying that out. So I've seen Ed, One Team Garage. I think he has this. He had one sent to him too, and was using it. So looking forward to that. So let me get this stuff all cleaned up, and I'll show you some of the kits I got and or build-ups, and be right back. Okay, guys, we are back, and here are the builds I got. I think it was like under 20 bucks or something for all these. And some 57 Chevys. You know, of course that's a Impala. That's not too bad. But I can do another video going through them, looking at them. Ooh, I think I broke the bumper off of that one. You know, some old cars and wagon type things, sedan or whatever they're called. I can't remember. Jeez, not even sure what kit these are. A couple trucks, which I'm looking forward to those. Getting to those. A couple older cars. Trino. I think there's a Cuda down there. GTO, I think. Chevelle. GTO is right there, I believe. But yeah, pretty cool. Good deal. So, all right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And be back soon. See ya.